you are? Yes, I hope all are good. Student here, standard third, subject value education, and a topic is one nation, one people. So student, we all are going to enjoy this topic. Yes, new for you. So let us begin with our topic. That is one nation and one people. So student, what you can see here in this picture? Yes, you can see here a old man is giving a food to this poor people. Yes. So student, whenever we provide something to other people, we should provide them with a love. Yes. With a care. Yes or no, student? Yes. So student, what our country teaches, we have to respect to other people. And we should not waste the food. If we have extra, then we should not waste it. We should provide to the people who needs that. Yes. And there is no any casteism here, student. We should all are equal here and we have to be in equality. Yes. You know, students, some people were greedy and some are jealous also. So here I can say this man is greedy. That's why he's providing the food item to them so greedily, you know. So we all belongs to India. Yes. So we have to be equally. There is no partiality between any other. We should respect each other. Yes. So student, here what you identify means what you come to know while looking to this picture. Yes. A caste scale I can say. Yes. Yes, a people in our country, it's very bad for students. Country, they married to a high caste, high class, we can say. If a girl family belongs to a low caste or a lower family, like poor family, then the boy will not marry. And they will have a rich this thing. Qualities like I want car, I want bungalow, I want this, I want bike. So all this we have to stop that. Yes or no, student? Yes, we have to stop that and we belong to an India country. We have to be with one. Yes. So students, today in this video, we are going to learn a new topic that is one nation, one people from value education. Okay. Here, let us begin a story. A holy sadhu came to visit the temples of Mumbai. He lived all alone in the forest and he wanted to know how people prayed in the city. At temple, he saw a poor man standing out the temple. Many people dressed in fine clothes went in and went off the temple. So student here, Holy Sadhu came to visit the temples of Mumbai. Why you know? Because he is to live alone in the forest and he wanted to know how people prayed in the city to God. Yes, so one day what happened? He visited a temple and what he saw there? He saw a poor man standing out the temple and he saw many people who dressed fine clothes, yes, and going out and coming in from the temple. Okay. The sadhu went in and prayed. When he came out, he saw that the old man was still standing there and praying. Why don't you go inside the temple? Asked the sadhu. I am not allowed to go in because I am of low caste, said the old man. What? Asked the sadhu. With God, there is no high caste and low caste. How can India become great? How can India have peace if all people are divided? So, student, what happened here? The sadhu went in and prayed. When he came out, he saw the old man was standing there and was praying. So what he did, he asked him to the poor man, why are you standing here and why are you not going inside the temple? He asked. So what that man replied, poor man? He said that I'm not allowed to go in because I am of low caste. I belong to a low caste. Then what he said, the sadhu, what? You're a low caste? With God, there is no high caste and there is no low caste. So, how can India become great? How can India have peace if the people are doing like this? Why must be one nation, one people? Let us see, student. If we have caste and low caste, then how can we say we are one? It is people who make these divisions. Some people are greedy and want more for themselves. Some people are jealous and want to be better than others. And some steal from others. So if we have low caste and high caste, whatever, then how can we say that we all are equal here? It is people who make these divisions, caste and etc. Students, some people say that they belong to low caste, so we should not go to their house. And some of them are from high class. So we should not go in their house and we have to make some distance from them. So we should not follow such people. Okay, students? And some people are greedy and some are jealous and want to be better than others. So, student, what we understood here is that we should not follow such rules. Such people say, nah, they belong to low caste, they belong to high caste. No, we all are equal in our country. Okay, there should be no any partiality among the people. We have to see that we should all belong to one people. Okay, that is one nation and one people. There should be no any casteism, nothing. We all are equal. Okay. To be a true Indian, we must wish for others what we wish for ourselves. We must help those who are not so blessed as we are, especially poor, those who are no educated, those who have low grade job and earn less money. Student, here, so student, we all are Indian. Yes, we belong to India. Yes, we should wish for others. Yes, and what we should wish for themselves? That those people are poor, God should fulfill their needs. Yes, you can see here. Yes, and God should keep all of them safe and good health. Yes, and who are not blessed as we are specially, like poor people and no educated for them. Yes, and those who have low grade job, we should always respect them, and those who have less money, so we should not tease them. Okay, we have to be all of them. Okay. We must help them to live better lives because we all are children of Mother India. How can the children of the same mother be so different? We must help all to be one. So student, here you can see poor, middle class and rich. Student, we never proud to ourselves, oh, I'm a rich man. I don't want to talk to the poor one or a middle class one. No, we should not do like that. We must help each other, and we are living on this earth and we are the children of Mother India. So, how can the children of the same mother of our India be so different, So we must help each other in the good time and in the bad time also. One day, parts of the body had a quarrel with the head. They said, you only gave orders, we do all the work. The leg said, we have to carry the body from one place to other. The hand said, we have to do all the work. The stomach said, I have to digest the food. One day what happened? The parts of the body had started quarrel with the head. What they said? You only give us order, we do all the time. Then the leg said, I have to carry the body from one place to another. Then the hand said, what the hand said? Student, what the hands do? Yes, we have to do all the work. Yes, then the stomach. I have to digest the food all the time. So they all went on strike and refused to work. Only the essential services worked, the heart and the lungs. Soon the body began to get weak as there was no food. Every part of the body began to lose strength. Even the heartbeats grew faint and the breathing grew slow. So student, what happened? All the body parts went for a strike. Yes. Student, what is the meaning of strike? Strike means if a people, those who do not fulfill their needs, yes, so the worker, they went for a strike. Means refuse to work as a form of organized protest. So student, all the body part like the eyebrows, the nose, hair, eyes, ears, mouth, leg, teeth, hand, tongue, everything, they went for a strike. And only the essential part, essential services worked. That is the heart and the lungs, only these two are working. Soon the body began to get weak. Why, student? Because there is no food. Yes, there is no food. Then what will happen? The body began to get weak. And every part of the body began to lose strength also. Student, if we doesn't have food, what will happen? We will not have energy. Yes or no? Even the heartbeats grew faint. Student, faint means a loose consciousness briefly, means is very loose and very slow. The breathing also grow very slow. Now here student, look within yourself. Are you a true Indian? Fill in yes or no. in the blanks alongside. Okay. Do you love your country? You have to write yes or no. Yes, of course, we all love our country. So you will write here yes. Do you want her people to be united? United? Yes. Do you think her people are really all united? You have to write yes or no. Do you feel sad when you see divisions among people? You have to write yes or no. Okay? Means the people are divided themselves. Okay? Do you feel happy when people come together for any reason? So student, when the people come together for any work, so you feel happy or no? You have to write yes or no here. Okay? Draw a red flower for the statement which give you happy feelings and a black thorn for those that make you sad. So first one, people fight with each other. Second one, a rich gentleman helps poor people. Third one, a doctor charges poor people a lot of money. Fourth one, so many children do not go to school. Bad habit. Fifth one, so many people sleep on the payments. So you have to draw, okay? A flower or a thorn. Here student, if you think the people mentioned in these statements are true Indians, color the block. Dr. Yatin went to the work in the village for poor people. Second one, Mrs. Sharma does not allow her son to play with slum children. Third one, the government gives loans to farmers. Fourth one, people burn buses when they are angry. Fifth one, all the people celebrate 15th August and 26th January. Yes. Sixth one, bad people rob and kill citizens. So, thank you dear students. I hope everyone had understood the lesson. Thank you.